It's Friday. All of our ingredients are fully prepped and ready to get plated. Let's take a look at how we do it. Our production consists of a long assembly line designed to plate our ingredients in a timely fashion. This minimizes the amount of time the ingredients will spend outside the fridge, as well as allowing our team to properly portion each ingredient into our BPA-free containers. Once the ingredients are packed and portioned, all that's left is the final inspection to ensure a top-notch presentation in each meal. With the plating done, it's on to the sealing. Our sealing machine is amongst the best the industry has to offer, and for many reasons. Starting with the vacuum seal. Our sealing machine will naturally vacuum seal each meal while also removing oxygen that ages the food at a faster rate. Applying a plastic film to seal it tight, and proceeding to our labeling team who will apply the nutritional label on each container. Now, in order to check the quality of the air inside the containers, we also finish off each round of meals with a final air inspection. This tool allows us to gauge which adjustments to make in our machine's computer to sustain the life of your meals, adjusting the suction, oxygen, and nitrogen in each container, which all aid in naturally sealing your meals for 7 days of freshness.